Hey guys, Terrence here. Today I want to show you guys this power auger I bought as I prepare myself to install my privacy fence. So I bought a little cheap power auger to just dig these holes so I can kind of get it up quickly. And it looks decent. Today I'm going to show you guys me installing the little pieces that come with it. Well, it all came with it. I'll put the link in the description box just in case you want to order one. And we'll take it in the back and kind of get a review on it and see how it digs. Since the ground is kind of wet because it's been raining nonstop here, and we're gonna see how it works. It's a one-person auger, but two people will kind of do just fine with it. These things are extremely rough. I remember handling one years ago, and it wore my arms out because I was not using it correctly. But still, it'll put a beating on you, and I think I can handle it pretty well now. So let's get started. Okay guys, if you didn't watch my video for the cement mixer, you should click on it. I just think everyone who owns a home and kind of do a little handiwork around the house should have like something like this. You don't need the big expensive ones. This is great, and I'll be using this for my privacy fence. So you can go back and check the videos I just did assembling this. I haven't did a review on it yet. I will when I get started in about a week or two, or the next few weeks. I don't know, it's been chaotic out here in the world, and definitely want you guys to be safe and be cautious as possible throughout this pandemic. But yeah, if you haven't seen this video, please go on my channel and check out me assembling this thing and seeing some cool tips and tricks as well. So this is the auger. I bought it last year, April 12th, 2019, and it's been sitting in the garage, and you see the box kind of messed up. So this is the auger itself. Take everything out the box. Has a funnel, mixing for fuel, manual, tools. So, and it also came with some decent little auger bits, and this is a large one. This is the one I'll be using to dig the hole. So, fairly cheap, less than 200 bucks, less than I think 150 something I paid for. But I'll put the link in the description box. Wasn't sure I bought it so long. I'm not sure what the price is on it now. It's an off-brand auger, but hopefully it's suitable for the job I need. Got me some gas already. Plus I got lots of 2-cycle oils sitting around. And we're gonna mix us up some stuff, and let me put my phone on a tripod and get this prepped up so we can take it out in the field and see what it does. Okay guys, I got everything up. These are pretty lightweight. Of course, like I said, if this was an expensive one, these would probably be steel. I don't think these blades are steel. But yeah, these are really lightweight blades that come with it. The handles has a little rubber grip, feels nice on the hand. On off switch, accessible right there. Throttle control there. Yeah, the blade's attached to this shaft with the cleavage pin, and it locks in place with the cotter pin. So it's a pretty simple design. Just curious to see how it's gonna fare and it's gonna work when we dig these little holes. I'm not trying to build a pole or anything. I just think these are suitable for small jobs. So I can't find the top. This is just a brand new top I had on a oil container around here. I lost the top to this, but this requires 25-to-1 ratio. This container measures 40-to-1 and 25-to-1, so you want to fill your gas up to here and kind of use the funnel and add some 2-cycle engine oil until it gets to that line. So we're gonna do that right now, and we're gonna shake it up, kind of mix up some fuel. We're gonna attach this real quick. I'll try both of them. I'll do the small one first, and then we'll try the large one and see what we get. We'll make 2 different holes as well. Okay guys, I'm right-handed, so we're gonna stand it up and use both hands to see. If I were left-handed, still easy to control the throttle. Right-handed, a little bit better, a little bit more comfortable with the left hand. I mean with the right hand. Now let's add some oil. Yeah, and if I didn't explain it, 25 to 1 means 2.5 ounces to, you want to add 2.5 ounces of this into a gallon of gas. So 2.5 ounces of oil to a gallon of gas. That's the 25 to 1 ratio. I'll pour this without using the funnel. So we measured at the line. Now I'm gonna shake it up and add it into, I'm gonna add a little bit into the auger. I don't want to put too much. Hey guys, we got gas installed. So we're gonna take it out before it started, but I'm show you guys how to start it. Leave this in the off position. Prime this up until you see gas in the line, in the bulb. Like that, we're good. Ends in the line, a little bit more. Okay, we're good. So the next thing we want to do is on position. We're gonna hold the throttle all the way down. Hold the throttle down and then pull started. So let's get outside and let's see what we got. We'll get some safety glasses. Make sure whenever you're dealing with any equipment, safety glasses, have your boots on, and just be safe. So let's get outside and let's see what this thing do, guys. Okay guys, since I'll be starting the privacy fence along this gate, I'm gonna just make me a sample hole here. We'll make 2 holes here. This is X marks the spot. We're clear of any possible wire or gas lines or anything way back here. So we'll get the couple holes dug with the different sizes of the auger bits. So let's get the auger set up and let's get busy. Okay guys, we set up. I'm gonna move those plastic caps off the tip of those auger bits. Guys, I'm probably gonna scoot over some. I'll probably make the hole here because I see tree roots and I don't know what I was thinking. I know that tree is not that big, but the roots extend out pretty far, so we'll make one around this area. Okay guys, I dug 2 holes fairly quickly. This one a little deeper than this one. The ground is soft here guys, so it was fairly easy. I like that little thing. So we're gonna trade bits and try the big one. Guys, during my attempt to make a hole with the larger bit, I ran into many tree roots as I tried to dig in different spots in this designated area. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a hole with the larger bit, or a deep hole, but I was very pleased with the outcome of what I did do, and I know if it wasn't for the tree roots, I would have got the hole dug fairly easy. So it's going to be really easy to work with this thing. Very, very, very one-man person auger. Not that powerful on the arms at all. If you're doing it right, just let the auger dig itself and use the weight of the auger to kind of go down on its own. So when I dig my holes farther back, I'll just kind of make sure if I do stumble across some roots or rocks or stuff, I'll dig them out and just continuously dig down. But very pleased with the use of this small, cheap auger. Okay guys, I noticed with the smaller auger bit, it was sliding past these roots from this tree, so it went down fairly easy. Unlike this one, it's digging real well, but it's hitting the roots. I can feel them as I'm going down. You can see the small auger kind of broke through. Yeah, I'm hitting all kind of roots as I dig through here. So impressed with how much power it has. Like I said, I've used a more powerful one, and it's kind of, they can be strenuous on your back. This is pretty easy to work with, simple auger, and like I said, the ground is soft, so hopefully it'll be kind of perform the same when the ground hardens up. It's kind of muddy out here, so just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys found it helpful, subscribe to the channel. I got so much more stuff coming, guys. Like I said, I'll show the progress of this entire privacy fence build as I make my path through there with my chainsaw and my machete. I'm gonna go machete crazy. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload the next video or the newest content. Terrence, I'm out. Guys, don't forget to clean your bits after every use.